Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a somewhat common bird. The Ashy Prinia. The Ashy Prinia or Ashy Wren-Warbler is a small warbler. It is a common bird in urban gardens and farmlands and it is small size, distinctive colors and upright tail make it easy to identify. This prinia is a resident breeder in the Indian subcontinent, ranging across most of India, Nepal, Bangladesh, eastern Pakistan, Bhutan, Sri Lanka and western Myanmar. All birds have a black bill, pale cinnamon underparts, a grey head and a greyish-brown back. Non-breeding birds acquire a short eyebrow and a longer tail. A common prinia that is likely to occur in all habitats except for woodlands with a thick canopy. Usually occurring in ones and twos, and it can be quite bold and fearless. Their calls are like locally named Priniya. I have not seen the Ashy Prinia. One such place you can see them is in Vilpattu National Park. Vilpattu National Park is the largest national park in Sri Lanka. It is also famous for leopard sightings. These are some of the pictures of our safari to Vilpattu National Park.